is about how to find H1B jobs for marketing managers, non-technical, and it is, we are finding it very hard this time to find my next job. Okay, so this is not a question from myself. It is actually also a question from a LinkedIn user. So the LinkedIn user is asking us that how to find H1B jobs from for marketing managers, non-technical, and because they are finding it very hard at this time to find their next job. So what would you like to say, Attorney Prashanti?
I think you got cut off there, and I can't really see the question. Okay, I see it now. Sorry, just had to adjust my screen.
Like me
How
to
to
narrate?
find H1B? No issues. How to find H1B jobs for marketing managers? Okay, so a lot of people think that H1s are only for IT professionals. That is not true. Even though 80% of the H1s are used up by IT professionals, software engineers, program analysts, software systems analysts, etc., etc. There are H1s available for other jobs as well, and a good chunk of them are used up by the medical professions. Physical therapists use up H1, doctors do, lawyers do. And in the same way, marketing professionals, it is possible to file a H1 for a marketing professional as well. And the title that we usually use is a market research analyst title. We don't like using the term manager, because when you say manager, it becomes less of a specialty occupation, because a manager position, administrative position, usually requires just a bachelor's in business administration, which is a very generic occupation. So as per the H1B regulations, the degree required should be in a specific field, not a general field such as business administration or arts, bachelor's in arts, or bachelor's in science. But it should be something like business administration with a concentration in marketing for this particular case, or business administration with a concentration or a major in finance, MBA in finance, BBA in finance, so on and so forth. So for a marketing analyst, research analyst type position, or we could call it market manager also, as long as we define the job duties as such, we can definitely do a H1B. In the past, there have been issues with USCIS not approving market research analyst or market manager positions, but they have clarified recently that these type of positions should be looked at on a case-by-case basis and should not be denied just on the basis of the job title. So I've been seeing in the recent past that more and more market research analyst cases are being approved. So I don't think this person should have a problem getting a job in that, filing a H1 in that particular field, as long as he has the related degree. Now the related degree would be a bachelor's or a master's in marketing, or economics, or an MBA or a BBA in marketing. So as long as that's fulfilled, we'll be happy to take his call as well, and see if it's something that we can help him with, or her.
Okay. And what about for the anchors profile? Because नौकरी की कमी तो यहाँ भी है.
Correct.
Are you an IT consultant seeking a new opportunity? We offer job placement services for US citizens, green cards, EADs, and visa holders. We also sponsor various work visas like H1B, E3, TN, and green cards. 20 plus years of experience in the industry. Exceptional employee benefits. Highly rated by our employees. Global presence with 200 plus recruiters and direct clients. Connect with us. Call us on the number 833-412-8472 or mail us at support@higheritpeople.com or visit our website www.higheritpeople.com.